Step into the 2008 Ford Fusion. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides exceptional value. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Ford prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including variably intermittent wipers, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.